In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate HubSpot with Zapier. By the end, you'll have a working automation that saves time by moving information between apps without manual effort. First, head to zapier.com and log in. If you're new, create a free account, then click Create Zap to open a fresh automation. Think of a zap as a simple recipe. It starts with a trigger and follows with one or more actions. For the trigger, search for HubSpot and select it. Choose the event that matches your goal. New contact is perfect if you want to act whenever someone is added to your CRM. New deal works when you want activity to happen as soon as a deal is created. Click. Continue to lock in your choice. Next, connect your HubSpot account. Click Sign in to HubSpot. Authorize Zapier to access your data. Then select the connected account and continue. Zapier will now fetch sample data, which helps you preview real fields. Click Test Trigger. If Zapier finds a sample contact or deal, you're all set. If nothing appears, add a quick test record in HubSpot and try again so your field mapping is accurate later. Now choose what should happen after the trigger. Pick your action app. Gmail can send an email automatically. Google Sheets can add a new row for every new contact, and Slack can post a message when a new deal is created. Select the app, then choose the specific action event, like Send Email, Create Spreadsheet Row, or Send Channel Message. Connect the Action app by signing in and granting Zapier permission. Once connected, you'll map your HubSpot fields to the Actions fields. This is where the magic happens. Use the drop-downs to insert dynamic data from your trigger. For example, map the HubSpot contact name to an email's recipient name, map the contact's email address to the To field, or map a deal name to the body of a Slack message. Avoid typing static text unless you want the same value every time. Run a test. Zapier will perform the action with your sample data. Check the destination app to confirm it landed as expected. If everything looks good, return to Zapier and turn on your Zap. From now on, every time your selected event happens in HubSpot, the action will run automatically. A few ideas to inspire you. Send a welcome email when someone signs up through HubSpot Forms, log every new contact in Google Sheets for reporting, or notify your team in Slack when a new deal is created. You can even chain steps together for multi-app workflows. That's it. With HubSpot and Zapier working together, routine tasks take care of themselves so you can focus on higher value work.